So, children, today let us have a glimpse of the major physical divisions of India. Now, in this map, you can see that India is a country which is a unique country with varied physical features. Now, we have over here mountains, snow-capped peaks, lush green plains, rugged plateaus, and even mighty rivers. However, amidst all these diversities, India is geographically unique. Hence, India, along with its neighboring countries, is called the Indian subcontinent. Now, as you can see in the map, the various physical divisions or the physical features have been shown by the help of different colors. Now, which are the major physical divisions of India? Now, if you look at to the north of India, you will find that it is been colored brown. Now, these brown parts are showing the northern mountains of India. So, we have the northern mountains or the Himalayas, and there are many other ranges also other than the Himalayas, which are there present to the northern part of India as well as to the northeast of India. Now, after that, where you have the green belt, now that you will see is the plains which are found at the foothills of the Himalayas and the other hills and mountains. Now, these are called the northern plains of India. Now, they have been formed by the silt and the materials which have been brought down by the major rivers like Ganga, Indus, and Brahmaputra when they are flowing from the mountains to the plainland. So, we say that the plains are made up by the rivers, by the silt brought down by the rivers, and they are extending right away from the west of India to the east of India. Now, soon after that, you can see on the western part of India, a portion has been colored yellow. Now, this part of India is showing the desert or the Great Indian Desert. It is also called the Thar Desert. Now, after that, the middle of India, you can see, which is a little brownish yellow in color, is called the Plateau region. Now, to the southern part of India, it is called Deccan Plateau, and in the middle of India, it is called Malwa Plateau in the west and the Chota Nagpur Plateau in the east. With the Deccan Plateau in the south, it forms a huge plateau over here to the middle and the southern part of India. Now, after that, next you can see that the coastal plains have been colored green. Now, we have got the sea on the three sides to the southern part of India. We have the Arabian Sea, we have the Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean to the south. Now, the coastal borders, the coastlines have been colored over here green, which are showing the coastal plains. Now, to the west, we have the western coastal plain, and to the east, we have got the eastern coastal plains. And you can see the eastern coastal plains are much broader than the western part. Now, last but not least, the last major division that we have in India is the islands. Now, we have got a group of islands to the south of India, that is in the sea, in the part that is covered with the sea. And we have one group of island towards the east of India, that is in the Bay of Bengal, and another group in the west of India, that is in the Arabian Sea region. Now, the one that is in the Bay of Bengal is called the Andaman and the Nicobar group of islands. And the one that is in the western side in the Arabian Sea is called the Lakshadweep group of islands. So, these are the major physical divisions of India. Now, in this map also, you can see the same things have been shown. Now, this is a map from the Atlas, and you can see the northern mountains have been marked with the colors brown. And then you have the great northern plains to the south of it. You have the desert to the west, the Deccan Plateau, the Malwa Plateau, and the Chota Nagpur Plateau, which is there in the middle and the southern part of India. You can see that it's clearly marked over here. And we have the coastal plains, that is the western coastal plain and the eastern coastal plains. And we have got the groups of islands which are there in the Andaman Nicobar and the Lakshadweep. Now, this map is quite familiar with you because it's in your book also, and you will be doing the map pointing from this with the help of this map. So, these are the major physical divisions of India, children, and next day we are going to do each of the details of these divisions. So, we'll take up each division one by one and we are going to do the details of them. So, till today you just go through this and see what the book has written over there over here in your text, and you understand it. Thank you.